The concept of a smart city has evolved from a futuristic ideal to a tangible reality shaping urban landscapes worldwide. At its core, a smart city leverages technology and data to enhance the quality of life for its residents, optimize resource management, and foster sustainable growth. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, energy consumption is minimized, and public services are readily accessible to all. This is the promise of the smart city, driven by innovation and a commitment to creating more efficient, resilient, and livable urban environments. By integrating intelligent systems across various sectors, smart cities aim to create a more connected and responsive urban ecosystem. This interconnectedness enables data-driven decision-making, allowing city officials to anticipate and address challenges proactively. The evolution of smart cities is an ongoing process, with new technologies and approaches constantly emerging. The foundation of any smart city lies in its robust and interconnected infrastructure. This intricate network of systems and technologies serves as the backbone for collecting, analyzing, and utilizing data to optimize city operations. From sensor networks embedded throughout the urban environment to high-speed communication networks, the infrastructure of a smart city is designed for efficiency and resilience. One crucial component is the implementation of advanced sensor technologies. These sensors collect real-time data on various parameters, including traffic flow, air quality, and energy consumption. Another key element is the development of robust communication networks, essential for transmitting data between sensors, devices, and central control systems. Furthermore, smart city infrastructure incorporates advanced data analytics platforms, providing valuable insights into city operations and enabling predictive modeling. Smart transportation is a cornerstone of the smart city vision, aiming to transform urban mobility by leveraging technology, integrating intelligent systems and data analytics to optimize traffic flow. From smart traffic lights and self-driving cars to integrated mobility apps, smart transportation solutions are revolutionizing urban mobility. Utilizing sensors and real-time data analysis to optimize traffic flow, autonomous vehicles promise to reshape urban mobility. Smart mobility apps provide real-time information on public transportation schedules, empowering citizens to make informed travel decisions. Creating a more connected and efficient urban transportation ecosystem. Smart transportation will shape the future of urban mobility. Sustainable energy is a critical component of the smart city vision, aiming to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Smart cities are embracing renewable energy technologies such as solar and wind power and implementing smart grids to optimize energy distribution. One key aspect is the integration of renewable energy sources into the power grid. Solar panels and wind turbines generate clean energy that can be fed directly into the city's power supply. Another crucial element is the implementation of smart grids, which optimize energy flow and minimize waste. By promoting energy efficiency and providing citizens with tools to reduce their energy footprint, smart cities foster a culture of sustainability. Smart homes are an integral part of the smart city ecosystem, transforming the way people live and interact with their homes. By integrating connected devices and automation technologies, smart homes enhance energy efficiency, improve security, and provide greater convenience. From smart thermostats and lighting systems to connected appliances and security cameras, smart home technologies are reshaping modern living. Smart thermostats learn residents' preferences and adjust temperature settings automatically, minimizing energy waste. Similarly, smart lighting systems can be programmed to turn lights on and off automatically based on occupancy. Connected security cameras provide real-time monitoring, allowing residents to remotely view their property. Smart locks offer keyless entry and can be controlled remotely, providing added security. Connected appliances can be controlled remotely, allowing residents to manage their home from anywhere. By empowering residents to manage their energy consumption and enhance their security, smart homes contribute to a more sustainable urban future. Smart waste management is a crucial aspect of building sustainable and efficient smart cities. By leveraging technology and data analytics, smart waste management systems optimize waste collection routes and promote resource recovery. One key component is the implementation of smart bins, which monitor fill levels and alert waste management services when they need to be emptied. This eliminates unnecessary collection trips, optimizing waste collection routes and reducing fuel consumption. Another important element is the use of data analytics to optimize waste management operations. By analyzing data on waste generation patterns, city officials can implement more efficient waste management strategies. Smart cities are also promoting resource recovery through enhanced recycling programs and composting initiatives. By integrating these solutions, cities can create a more sustainable and circular waste management system. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also creates new economic opportunities through resource recovery. Data-driven governance is at the heart of the smart city concept, leveraging data analytics to improve decision-making and enhance public services. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources, city officials can gain valuable insights into city operations and implement proactive solutions. This data-driven approach empowers city leaders to make more informed decisions and optimize resource allocation. One key aspect is the use of data analytics to improve city services, identifying areas for improvement and optimizing service delivery. Another important element is the use of real-time data to enhance public safety, integrating data from various sources to monitor city conditions. This enhanced situational awareness can significantly improve public safety and reduce response times. Data-driven governance promotes transparency and accountability, fostering a more democratic and participatory urban environment. Citizen participation is essential for smart city success. Engaging citizens ensures projects meet community needs. This fosters ownership and empowers citizens. Technology facilitates communication and feedback. Opportunities for active participation are crucial. Workshops and forums provide platforms for ideas. Participatory budgeting lets citizens allocate funds. Embracing participation creates inclusive cities.